Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things Boston and Greater Boston real estate. Today we are at our single family renovation project here in Arlington, Mass. We're in the framing stage. Plumbing has begun. I'm going to give you a full walkthrough. This is update number 2. If you missed the first update, I'll link it below. But I'm super excited to show you guys the house. Right there is going to be your front door leading to a mudroom, which I think is a must-have in any house. Over here is the dining area, and we're gonna hopefully put in a built-in bench under these two windows. All open concept as you move towards the kitchen, which will be L-shaped, and it'll have a 3-person island right where that box is. And then right off of that is the living space and a slider that goes out to the back deck. Swinging to this last corner over here, tucked in there, is gonna be a half bathroom, and then you have a home office. And I'm not sure if you could tell by the video, but these windows are absolutely huge. For those that didn't see the original videos of this house, you can see how it was a bunch of smaller rooms. It was all chopped up. The condition obviously wasn't great. And now looking at it, almost everything here is brand new except for the foundation and the exterior walls on the first floor. The basement stairs aren't done, so I can't quite make it down there, but you're gonna have this super spacious laundry area. And then the key is we reframed all the first floor joists in the basement. So you're gonna have probably 7.5-foot ceilings throughout. It's gonna feel really nice when you're hanging out down there. Heading up to the second floor, this is gonna be the primary bedroom. And again, you have these oversized windows, ton of light coming in. Then this massive walk-in closet. And then you move over to your primary bathroom. That will be a fully tiled shower going in this one. And then the secondary bath will have a tub. You can see the plumbing is started. You will have dual sinks in both bathrooms. And then bedroom number 2, again, great size, big windows, lots of light is the theme here. And then bedroom number 3. Another thing that makes this house really awesome is that we're probably 1/8 of a mile from Robbins Park and Playground. It's a huge park. You got a basketball court, baseball field, playground. They're putting in a brand new playground in there, summer of 2023. You can see the Boston fireworks from the top of the park. And in the wintertime, it's one of the best. I think it's the second tallest sledding hill in this area. People from towns all over come just to this park to go sledding. People even bring their skis and snowboards. So to live that close to that park is going to be a huge benefit. Now, this is one of the best parts. You have this finished 3rd floor area, which right now is one big open space, but we're going to frame this part off so it'll actually be a 4th bedroom, and we'll add in a closet. And then on this side, you'll have another bonus space. So this could be a secondary office, exercise room. I mean, you already have a 1st floor office and a fully finished basement. So it really gives the house a lot of flexibility on how someone could live in it. The house is scheduled to be completed in July of 2023, but as early as the 1st or 2nd week of May, we are going to start doing tours. If you have questions or want more information on this house or the town of Arlington or even the Boston market, feel free to reach out.